The International Court of Justice is conducting a hearing on Russia's invasion of Ukraine today, and Moscow's representation is glaringly absent. Russia declined to attend the hearing at the UN top court. The Russian ambassador to the Netherlands, Alexander Shulgin, writing to the court and saying his government did not intend to participate. A row of seats reserved for Russian lawyers at the ICJ was left empty as the hearing got underway. Ukraine urged the ICJ to order Russia to halt its devastating invasion. Kyiv's representative told judges that Russia must be stopped and that the court has a role to play.
The fact that Russia's seats are empty speaks loudly. They are not here in this court of law. They are on a battlefield, waging aggressive war against my country. This is how Russia solves disputes. But Ukraine had another position and respects international law and this court of law. But even still, Russia knows that international law matters. Why else would Russia try to justify its aggression? This war, Russia says, is to stop a genocide. I quote Russia's president from the morning he ordered the invasion of Ukraine. He said, quote, "We had to stop that atrocity, that genocide," end of quote. The purpose of the war, he said, was to protect people from genocide. This is a horrible lie. Putin lies, and Ukrainians, our citizens, die.
Ukraine lodged an urgent case at the ICJ on February the 27th, stating that Russia falsely applied genocide laws to justify its invasion. The Ukrainian envoy dismissed the genocide claim and said that Moscow had made it as a deliberate fabrication.
The world said never again to the twin evils of Nazism, aggression and genocide. Unfortunately, today, Russia has perverted those words. It does not treat the duty to prevent and punish genocide as a sacred obligation. It treats it as a weapon. With its false claim of genocide, Russia uses one pillar of modern international legal order to destroy the other. By falsely claiming genocide to justify its crime of aggression and acts of aggression, Russia has defiled the Genocide Convention.
Before the invasion of Ukraine, the Russian president appeared on television to announce the launch of what he called a special military operation, saying the motive behind it was to protect people in eastern Ukraine from what he called genocide.
I decided to conduct a special military operation. It aims to protect people who have been bullied and subjected to genocide by the Kyiv regime for 8 years. For that, we will strive for demilitarization and denazification of Ukraine and will bring to justice those who committed multiple bloody crimes against civilians, including Russian citizens.
Ukraine has argued that Russia's claim is flatly untrue and in any case does not provide legal justification for the invasion. The case centres on the interpretation of a 1948 treaty on the prevention of genocide signed by both countries. The treaty names the International Court of Justice as the forum for resolving disputes between signatories.